Whew. I tell you, I was only going to be out here for a couple hours, but that was this morning, and what time it is? Let's say 4:57. I've been out here, oh geez, I don't know, 5 or 6 hours. Got all those little ones up. Look at all this. See? You just work away at it and you'll get them. I got one little small little bit left here. And I guess I better get them right now. Be done with it. Oh man. Of course I got my back support on, I got my knee brace on, I got my knee pad. Yeah, are you kidding me? No, this is how I've been doing it. See, I'm getting them. Most of the root is coming out. I'm hoping beyond hope they're not going to come back. At least the ones I've pulled out. I mean, there's only so much I can do. And this will be a good test to see how many come back. And then at that point, I'll have to go to a nursery, pull one of these weeds, take it with me. Are you there? You put your mind to it, you can do stuff. You just keep plugging away. I always like to tell people, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. And how do you get all these weeds out? One weed at a time. Important thing is to make sure, well, you try to get the roots out. I was using a weed puller, but once I figured I could pull most of these out like that, I thought, this way I can use both hands. I was pulling them all out with my left hand, and then my fingers started getting sore, and I thought, oh, I'll just start using my right hand. Just that little sprout, and it's big down below, and I got the good majority out of this grass. Yeah. And I'm gonna pick up all of these weeds and throw them in this bucket here. And last but not least, I didn't think I was going to do it today, but you leave it for the shade. And remember all this stuff here? See, I started pulling them out. I started pulling all that stuff out right there, right in here. And if I just keep that up, you know, just sit here and pick at it. Get all this mossy stuff out of here, and that'll help encourage the grass to fill in. Obviously it's not going to fill in, is it, unless I get this stuff out of here. Granted, I'm not picking out every single little piece. It's impossible. I'm getting enough to get this to kind of aerate the grass, so to speak. And you see this area stays in the shade most of the day. And I think once I turn the sprinklers back on, I'm going to put them every other day, 5 minutes or so, and get most of this stuff to dry up. Because as long as you keep it moist, you got a tendency of this type of stuff to grow.